Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Wild night yesterday with Bitcoin. We dropped all the way to 89,200. Huge liquidations happened yesterday. Over the weekend, we had very little volume and just sideways movement between 94 and 95. And then yesterday, huge drop from 96,000 all the way down to 89,200. Huge liquidations and panic. And when it was down here, I was even thinking of, I wanted to close my trades, but actually I added more to the trade because Donald Trump and Elon Musk going into the presidency, V-shaped recovery. I do think that we're going to have a pump going into the swearing in of Donald Trump as the president. He made a crypto council that's going to 25-person CEO crypto council. And that news came out at the same time that MicroStrategies bought Bitcoin. They both announced that at this 89K drop, and we had this big bounce back. People are discussing here in the Guru chat. You can just click on this and join them. The link is also in the description. There's more than 800 people online during the nighttime. $3.4 trillion market cap, 1.1 million viewers, Bitcoin price.live. You can set these charts up on your screen as well. V-shaped recovery, volume coming back in a little bit. Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. Warren Buffett. The investor's chief problem and even his worst enemy is likely to be himself, Benjamin Graham. Very true. You got to beat yourself in the trading game. 60K bonus with Bybit. Scan this QR code to sign up. Become a student. You can join us. Take the crypto mastercourse, then join the Telegram. 63 greed, and this is going to become a trading university soon. So make sure you jump on it before it changes. Funding fee positive 94,500. Bitcoin is a little bit of a bull flag here. V-shaped recovery, but what a drop to 89,000. We came all the way to 89,200. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my trades and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Ethereum didn't have the bounce back that Bitcoin did. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. My Bitcoin trade, $6,700 now in the profits. I actually bought one Bitcoin exactly. I bought 0.5 Bitcoin here at 91. Then at the drop, it added one Bitcoin. If you remember, I had orders for Bitcoin at 90K, 87K, and 70K. The 90K trade activated. Funding Bitcoin, $7,000 in the profits. Ethereum is still down. I added more to Ethereum, but around the same place. I didn't get Ethereum on the drop. I added at 3,080, but quite down on that Ethereum trade. This Bitcoin trade now is a 6 Bitcoin trade. It's $560,000 trade, and I made the liquidation below 83K. My Ethereum trades, I made the liquidation below 2,600, and a big bounce back. Yesterday I went to 889 on the account, so huge drop and then huge bounce back. Let's go into the technicals. World is still down a lot. Took a big hit. Uni took a big hit. Ton, all the altcoins got hit hard yesterday. Doge bounced back. Ethereum bounced back a little bit. BNB a little bit. Bitcoin 94,500. On the weekly charts, we had a huge spike down yesterday. Crypto Guru Bot is still a blue buy, which it fired back in February 2023. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell 4 weeks ago, and that called the top actually almost perfectly. Stochastic is turning back up. Volume is strong. On the daily, you can see this huge drop played out perfectly actually of this rising triangle. Built pressure and it broke down and it hit the target exactly almost 88,700. We came down to 89,000, so it was $300 off the target. Huge selling volume. Stochastic is trying to turn back up. On the daily charts, inverse head and shoulders played out, and then we got a bounce back. Head and shoulders played out and we got a bounce back. Let's go into the 4 hourly. That rising triangle broke down, builds pressure and broke down, and it almost exactly hit the target. We came down to 89,000. We're trying to recover here going into the Trump inauguration. I do think we will have a pump going into Trump inauguration. If you haven't entered a trade, I would still try to catch it on support at 91,700. Tight stop loss underneath and take profit going into the inauguration. I would take it to about 102K, very possible. after that drop and bounce. But I wouldn't open it till 91,887, stop loss 93,774, risking 1,500 to make 11,000 per Bitcoin. With 10x leverage, it'll be 110,000. I'll take it to 102, and then I would see from there where we go on Bitcoin. Any major pattern? No major pattern after this drop. Inverse head and shoulders could be forming on the 4-hourly, but not really, no. No major pattern. It just broke down that bigger head and shoulders and then got a strong bounce back from 89. So 89 is the safer support now. But I would take a trade at 91,500, stop loss 90,300. Let's go into Ethereum. Tesla was down yesterday 3% in pre-market, and then it came down to 379, and then we got a bounce back, and in pre-market now it's up 2%. So it actually was down 3%, recovered that 3%, went up 2% in market, and then went up a further 2%. So you're talking an 8% swing on Tesla. 8% swing, and that saved it on this trend line. We're back in the trend line. I've only bought 10% of my position, which I sold at 431 in Tesla, and I will buy more as we come down. Let's go into Ethereum. 3129. Ethereum, not much recovering after that big drop yesterday. We came to a low on Ethereum of 2,900. Huge drop, and it broke out of this this symmetrical descending triangle, broke to the downside, and it also had this head and shoulders played out. So there was a lot of fear yesterday, a lot of head and shoulders shoulder, head, shoulder, and that broke down. We came to a low of 2,900, and we got a bounce. If you haven't entered a trade, I would try to take it from also, again, 2,900, because we didn't get that strong of a bounce on Ethereum. And that head and shoulder did break out. So 2,900 is where I would take a trade on Ethereum. Stop loss, I'd make it 2,800, risking $100 per Ethereum. And take profit, I'll take it to the bull market top, which is 7,400. 7,400 is my target of the bigger symmetrical triangle you can see here. So that's the trade I'll take on Ethereum, risking $94 per Ethereum to make 4,600 with no leverage. 10x leverage will be 46,000, which is beautiful. That's the trade I take on Ethereum, and it was a brutal night last night. A lot of people got liquidated or got knocked out or liquidated. Bitcoin trade is a little bit pumping, and that buy on the bottom was perfect. My order triggered. That's why having low buy orders is actually very smart. A lot of people were asking me, why would you have buy orders at 90K, 87, 70K? Now you know why. And don't forget, join us in the Telegram. Right now, there's 245 people online. The CEO of literally the world's richest institution in the world and the president of the USA are both turbo shilling crypto, and the entire market is doing nothing but nuking. What does it mean? People discussing, sharing trades together. Meta board has advised to invest part of its $72 billion in liquid assets into Bitcoin as a hedge against the dollar devaluation. People just discussing. A lot of good news came out to prop up Bitcoin on that drop. But that was showing weakness going to Trump inauguration. President-elect Trump expected to issue executive orders related to crypto policies on his first day. Apparently, he's going to unwind all the negative stuff that Biden and the fake politicians did over the last 4 years. If you want to join us under the Telegram. Sign up to Bybit, 60K bonus, Weex $200 bonus, and Bitunix right now is giving a giveaway with JCG for the JCG community. You can see here. I set a time limit. You can see here, MicroStrategy acquired 2,300 Bitcoin for 243 million at 95K. That was where I added into Bitcoin. It dropped down and activated. Here's the giveaway. Bitunix is giving away 1,000 USDT. To win 1,000 USD, retweet this tweet, sign up using JCG link, make any deposit, and share it in the plays. 10 winners of 100 USDT each will be chosen during the following days. So I'm going to choose one winner right now. Let's do it by the most liked replies. You're my everyday inspiration. Give me hope to change my life. Thank you for always helping me improve what I am as a person. Thank you for sharing your knowledge every day. Also follow your instructions, done all the tasks, use your link and deposit it. Congratulations. You win $100, which is beautiful. Congratulations, Kian. You're winning often now, and you got the most liked. I will always wait for your updates. So I'm going to pick more winners. Everyone, this will be running for the next 10 days. So $1,000 to give away, $900 left. You can go onto X and follow me. Make sure you're following me to win. 99,100 followers. I'm 900 followers away from 100K. which will be amazing. That's my updates in the market, everyone. Big drop yesterday. My trades at 90K, my trade at 90K activated one more Bitcoin to the trade. It was a brutal sell-off. We have to see a continuation today. It's very important, and I do think we will have pumps going to Trump's inauguration. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Make sure to do those tasks on Bitunix on X to go into the chance to win that $1,000. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.